In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to More right here and then go to Apps. Here is where all the integrations possible happens. So, type in on the search node Teams. Click on it. From here, simply click on Create or Connect rather. After that, you would be redirected to another tab in which ClickUp would ask permission from Microsoft to connect to your Microsoft account. Once the connection is done, you would then need to have and give access, and you should see that it's now connected between your ClickUp account and your Microsoft Teams account. So easy. So try it. So if this video helped you and you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.